everyone, Emily here.
And Kelly.
And today we are back at it again with another how-to with SBBlooms, where we show you how to recreate trending Pinterest pins with our premium silk wedding flowers for rent. What do we have today, Kelly?
We did a Marlowe grounded floral art with hints of the Nina collection.
Yes, and I think it turned out really good.
So pretty.
Just refreshed the Nina collection and we just added the Marlowe floral Meadows, which is what we use. So I think the combination of the two is very unexpected, but it works. So we're super excited for you to stay tuned and keep watching. Today we are starting off with our Marlowe Meadows. We're gonna place them in a semicircle. We have 4. Okay, and then each corner is going to get a large centerpiece. And then to combine collections, which we've been doing a lot recently, we're going to add Nina Posies. This is unexpected, but it looks really good. So you're just going to place it in. Perfect.
All right, and there you have it, a Marlowe grounded floral art with a little hint of the Nina collection.
Yes. So a little bit about how our how-to series works is that you can request your own installs, which is one that we did today. Someone requested this, and you can put your inspo photo. If you're not sure of the collection you're wanting to use, you can give us your color palette and we can suggest a collection that best fits your style. Sometimes we also pull our Instagram stories to get kind of what you want there as well. So just stay tuned.
All the products in this grounded floral art will be listed in the video description below for easy shopping.
Okay, so be sure to fill out the form in the description to submit your own request. But if you like this video and you want to see more, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok so you can have a say in what we do next.
Bye!